Welcome to the video of our BMW 530 diesel M Sport 2014 on a 64, just over 105,000 miles. Very good service history, 2 keys, and very good spec too. Good condition for the M Sport spoiler, front and rear sensors, Harman Kardon, big 19-inch alloys, freshly refurbed, which is powder coated, full black leather, heated seats, DAB, Bluetooth, cruise control. Very presentable car, very presentable car. As you can see by the front end, a few stone chips to be expected. As I said, wheels are freshly done, paintwork all down the side, bonnet is all good, a few stone chips to be expected, as you can see there. But overall, it's fantastic condition. As you can see by paint on this side. Go through. Got your full leather interior, bit of wear on the bolster. Got your sunroof, electric windows, Harman Kardon, auto lights and wipers, 105,878 mileage. Has got a business edition sat nav, which is what you can see there. Sports variable transmission, heated seats, leather is in fantastic condition, but it's BMWs for you. Going to the boot. Boot is plenty big enough. It has got a fixed rear bench. It's not a split seat. Tyres are all good, pads and discs are all good, freshly MOT, freshly serviced. Just ready to go. These cars are 260 brake horsepower from new. As you can see, freshly serviced. No lights on the dash. Big 3 litre straight 6 diesel, single turbo, returns north of 40 miles per gallon on the run, around town expect to see 30 to 40. But she is ready to go. Just look how good it looks. Come get it, finance available.